when I'm in this bathroom, y'all should already know what I'm about to do. Today, I'm putting on another wig, but today's wig is from Ashimary hair. Let me just show you guys what came in the package and the wig itself. They also, like I showed you, included this robe. Cute. Cute little robe. So, as for the hair, this is the wig right here. I got the wig shorter this time. I've been getting really long wigs and I wanted something like not super long, so I did go 18 inches. This is the wig here. It already comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-cut. I'm probably gonna cut the lace a little more because I've realized I don't like the little zigzag thing that they do. Well, these companies do. So of course my hair isn't braided down, so I'm just gonna pull it back into a ponytail. So I'm gonna try the wig on first. Okay. This looks good. I was gonna spray the lace, but it kind of really doesn't need it. Of course you can see like the lace on the sides because my hair is like poking out. I'm not mad at it. Let's pull it back some. I'm not mad at it at all, actually. I am gonna cut that little zigzag off, but this is what the wig looks like. A cute little length. I'm gonna run my flat iron through this hair really quickly because I did wet the hair. This is a grab and go wig, so you're basically just supposed to be able to put on and go. But I actually wet this hair, then blow dried it because I just wanted to see the difference. And when the wig came, the hair was like nice and straight. So I will say that the hair has a nice density on it because when you blow dry it, it definitely poops up. So it definitely gets silky straight. But you can also wear it like a blowout texture. So the hair texture is nice. Ooh. I'm just gonna straighten it really quickly. This is a long 18-inch. I should have got like 16 because it's coming down to like my rib cage. And I wanted something a little shorter. I can always cut it. I think I'm gonna crimp the hair. I think shorter crimps will be cute because the hair really isn't short. This is long hair. But crimps on this hair texture will be so cute. Okay, so this is the difference. You can just tell that this side is way more fluffy and then the hair gets silky straight. And I'm sure it could get straighter than this because I did big sections. So I'm just gonna trim off these ends. I don't like how they look. So yeah, I'm just gonna go straight across. that looks cute. That looks much better. It looks healthy. Nice and healthy. Did I do that evenly? Yeah. So that looks good. I'm going to straighten this side and then trim the ends on this side as well. Okay, so this is the hair with both sides cut nice and even. This is cute. It's given silk press. The hair is extremely soft. The only thing I would probably do is like I have to take my edges out in order for this lace to, you know, but that's just because I have like, y'all know, deep edges over here. We got edges over here. But I'm gonna go ahead and crimp the hair so we can see how that looks. But this looks good. This looks bomb. And I really don't want them to be super small, so I'm trying to take bigger sections. And I'm also not gonna hold it on the hair that long either because I don't want it to be too deep. I want it to be like a loose wave, if that makes any sense. Because once I get to the top, I hate how sometimes it's just too deep of a wave. Like you can see right here how it goes boop, but like there's a little flatter. So I want like a flatter wave. I'm gonna go in with some hairspray just to like get rid of those flyaways. Perfect. So yeah, really pretty, just soft waves. You know, like I took a braid out. Okay, so this is the finished look with both sides crimped. I love it. I think it looks so good. The wig is literally like right at my hairline. And then I just pull my edges down, of course, but this is what it looks like. So pretty. But yeah, this is the hair. This is what we look like. It's nice and full too. I don't know the density, but I will list it down below, and I'll be sure to list all of Ashimary's hair info in the description box for you guys. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.